Alright, so today I'm on top of the reel stand and there's a turntable right there and it's not working, so I'm going to try to force it in position. Okay, do it again.
Okay, copy that, activated. Hey Adam, I got a position okay and I've got 2 3s on under the number 1. Everything matches and it says position okay.
Okay, do it again.
Copy, 1 second. Okay, we're back on 10.
Okay, go back to 9.
Okay, I didn't copy that.
Go back to 9.
Okay, copy, going back to 9.
Alright, does it say position okay right now?
Now, position says okay and they're both reading 3.
Okay, send the chain up.
Copy that, sending chain.
Okay, I think we're looking good now.